Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by immediately backing up the settings folder so you can revert. Once backed up, close Valorant and Riot Vanguard to avoid file locks. Next, open the local app data Riot Games Valorant Live saved config Windows no editor directory. This is where game configuration lives. Use File Explorer and a text editor like Notepad++ to open the files labeled Game User Settings. Ini and Input. Ini. Do this now so you can safely edit values without the game overriding them when it's running. Once the files are open, locate the display block and set resolution size X and resolution size Y and full screen mode to match your desired output. This forces a specific resolution on start. Then move to input values and edit mouse sensitivity or the yaw and pitch multipliers to tune aim feel. Small increments matter. After that, change graphics quality keys such as view distance quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing quality to balance FPS versus visual fidelity. Save the files and make incremental edits, testing after each change. With edits saved, set those config files to read-only to stop automatic resets. Right-click Properties and enable read-only. Now launch Valorant and immediately check video and controls menus to confirm the new values applied, then enter a practice range to feel input and frame rate changes. If something breaks or the game won't start, close the game, remove read-only, and restore the backup copy you made earlier. As a troubleshooting tip, if changes fail to apply, check file permissions and run the game as administrator before reapplying edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.